In today's session, we will understand ABC analysis and inventory management. This concept is extremely important because it helps businesses focus on the most valuable items in their inventory. Whether you're a student, a fresher, or a business owner, understanding this technique will help you manage resources more efficiently and reduce unnecessary costs. Inventory management refers to the process of handling goods from procurement to storage and usage. It includes raw materials, work-in-progress items, and finished products. The main goal is to ensure that the right amount of stock is available at the right time, avoiding both shortages and excess inventory. ABC analysis is a method used to categorize inventory items based on their value and importance. Items are divided into three categories: A, B, and C. This helps businesses focus more attention on the most critical items while simplifying the management of less important ones. Category A items are the most valuable items in the inventory. Even though they are fewer in number, they contribute the highest to the company's revenue. These items require strict monitoring, accurate forecasting, and tight control to avoid losses. Category B items fall between A and C categories. They have moderate value and require balanced attention. These items are managed with standard procedures and regular monitoring, but they do not require as much control as Category A items. Category C items are low-value products that are usually available in large quantities. These items have minimal impact on overall revenue. Therefore, they require simple control methods and less frequent monitoring compared to A and B items. To perform ABC analysis, we first calculate the annual consumption value of each item using the formula quantity multiplied by cost per unit. Then, we rank the items from highest to lowest value and classify them into A, B, and C categories accordingly. ABC analysis is important because it allows businesses to focus their efforts on high-value items. It improves control, reduces unnecessary storage costs, and helps managers make better decisions regarding purchasing and stock management. One of the key advantages of ABC analysis is efficient use of resources. It saves time by focusing only on important items, reduces wastage, and ultimately increases profitability. Businesses can operate more effectively with better control over their inventory. Despite its benefits, ABC analysis has some limitations. It does not consider demand fluctuations and may not be suitable for all types of businesses. Also, it requires regular updates to remain accurate and effective. Let's consider a retail store example. High-end smartphones fall under Category A, mid-range electronics under Category B, and accessories like chargers under Category C. This classification helps the store manage its inventory more efficiently and prioritize important items. And if this video added value to your learning, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who needs it.